Physica. Calculator for Physics is an Android application designed to assist students, educators, and anyone interested in physics by providing a set of tools and calculators for solving various physics problems. This app focuses on simplifying complex calculations and enhancing understanding of fundamental physics concepts. Typically, Physica offers a wide range of calculators covering topics such as kinematics, dynamics, thermodynamics, electricity, and more. Users can input specific parameters into the calculators, and the app will provide the necessary calculations, making it easier to comprehend relationships between different physical quantities. In addition to calculators, the app may include educational resources, formulas, and definitions relevant to different physics topics, helping users learn and apply concepts more effectively. Overall, Physica, Calculator for Physics, is a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their physics knowledge and streamline their problem-solving process.